Adding start and end credits to your mix and adding text and drawing on images is a simple process in trakAx Movie Express. To add start and end credits to your mix, simply click on the credits icon in the assignment screen. Once in the credits window, you can simply tap on the screen to enter your text. Simply type in the text you'd like to add. I can also add background themes and colors to my text. I can move the text around using my icons on the left-hand side. By clicking on the text and holding, I can move it around the screen to any location of my choice. To add an end credit, simply click on the end credit icon. By clicking on the brush icon, I can draw directly onto my image. When I'm happy with my start and end credits, I simply select Done. To add text to photos, I simply click on the Edit icon on the channel. I will be then brought into the Photo Slideshow Edit window. Here I can select a photo by clicking and holding on it, and selecting the text icon to add text. By selecting the brush icon, I can simply write directly onto my image. When I'm happy, I select Done. Again, I can choose another photo by clicking and holding on it and selecting the text icon. Here I can draw directly onto my image. When happy, I select Done. To add text to a video, again simply click the edit icon on the channel. To preview the video, press play. To add text, simply click on the text icon. Here again, I will choose the brush option and draw directly onto my image. To preview my text, I simply press play. When happy, I select Done. Now I'm going to begin my mix by clicking on the Start Mix icon. I'm then brought into the mixing screen window. Here I'll select my audio and my photos to start first. I can also add transitions on the fly. To start my mix, I simply click Start Mix, and the start credit will begin. To stop the start credit, I simply click on the start credit icon, and my mix will begin. Here you can see my text playing on my photos and videos. I can also control the tempo of my video by clicking on the tempo icon and moving the slider up and down. To add the end credit, I simply click on the end credit icon. I can also control the video brightness by using the sliders. When happy, I press stop. To To save my mix, I simply click on the Play Share screen. To preview my mix, I simply press play, and everything has been captured in real time. To save my mix, I simply click on the Save Mix icon. Here I'm presented with different options and resolutions to save my mix at. Here I'll select 720p and give my mix a file name. When happy, I select Done, and the mix will begin to render. When my mix is finally rendered, I'll be presented with the Share option window. Here I can review my rendered file and play it back. I can also share my mix to different platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, Dropbox, Gmail, and many more, to share with family and friends and the world.